Good morning! Today is Tuesday, March 11. Is it 11 now? Bakit yung date? Ayun, yeah. It's March 11. And yesterday, nagpunta lang ako sa Spark. I opened an account there, a SIM card, and an account para magkaroon ako ng proof of billing here. I'm still currently using my cousin's address because I'm looking pa for a flat or for a home in Auckland. So before next week or next week, I would have to move to Auckland na because my school will be starting on the 27th. Kaya, nakapag-open ako ng Spark. That's a good thing. Papalitan ko na lang yung address if needed. And kung makakuha na ako ng matitirhan doon. Tapos, pumunta ako ng bus interchange. Kasi bumila ako ng B card. Dito kasi you can use the B card for train, for buses, and everything for commute. Nagamit ko siya last time when I went to Auckland using their train. Kaya, pina-activate ko lang kasi siya. Nagka-problema siya last week. Parang naging invalid yung card na binigay nila sa akin. Kaya medyo nagkaroon ng aberya. Pero nakasave ako kasi nilibre nila ako ng pamasahe papuntang Auckland. Pero now, activated na siya. Kailangan ko na siyang i-top up para pagka magbabayad ulit ako, diretso na. Hello guys, it's me. I'm in Auckland kasi may house viewing ako today, pero tapos na. And so far, hindi namin siya kukunin kasi hindi siya yung ina-expect or yung functional for us, for our family. And ngayon, since tapos na yun, lalakad ako sa Mount Eden. This is an stagnant na volcano ata to. I'll check. Let's see and walk side. Kasi yung friend ko, nag-work pa siya. Kaya, hayaan ko muna siya mag-work. Lakad-lakad muna ako. Whew. Ayun. Oh. Okay na yan. So we're here. We're going to the cafe. At nagugutom na ako. And then we're going to the crater. The crater. Let's go. Lunchtime. Yummy. Yummy organic juice, sausage roll, and some chips on the side. And the view. It's outside. Can't see the view outside. Wala. Nope. There. bacon. Did you have egg?
Watch Mama.
Watch what?
In
In the
the TV.
TV. Stay on the... Look at my view. Look at my view, darling. Okay. Showing. Look at that. I can see everything. I'm on top of the hill. So pretty here.
Panoramic.
It's panoramic. Ang dami kong video. Meron din ako nito. I love you, Ember. I miss you. You miss Mama? You miss Mama? Oh, look. Mas mataas pa. Look at this. Huh? That's Auckland Tower. That's Auckland Tower right there. This is the crater. Yeah. Yeah, it's a volcano. I'm not sure if it's active. But ano na daw siya eh, dormant na daw. It's a dormant tawag dito? Volcano. But you never know. You never know. Let's sit down here for a moment. Okay, baba na tayo. At oras na. Pero daanan natin siya. So guys, this is the city of Auckland, and this is the crater there. They say it's a dormant volcano. And that's the Auckland Tower right there. And ang init-init. So we're going down there again. And let's see. Ang kintab na ng loob. I think sunog na ako. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go down before dumami ang tao at before maraming maingay. Dahil nakita na ako ng grupo ng mga ano doon. Na may ingay. So let's go down. This is it. This is it. This is Mount Eden. And the weather is nice for a walk. Kaya lang super striking ang araw. Ayun na yung mga tao. Oh look. Ang dami nila. Grupo. Buti na lang tapos na ako. I had my moment already. So, it's time to head back home to my friend. Dahil I think tapos na siya ng work at this time. Kaya I'll be heading back there. At ilalabas niya daw ako. I don't know. So, baka hindi na ako makapag-video kasi syempre private person yun. So, ayun. I'll see you soon. Bye.